Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get sound on the Reddit app. It's very simple, so let's begin. First of all, on your browser, go in Reddit and click the double A's below, and you might want to switch to desktop mode. Now once you've done it, you want to click this arrow sign above. Here, you just click this arrow sign and then go to user settings. After that, go to feed settings. Now in here, you wanna click adult content so that we're going to have access to remove safe browsing mode too. Now just click this to disable it. Now once you've done it, we're going to exit Reddit and go to App Store and download Apollo for Reddit. As you can see, there's a 12,000 downloads. So once you've downloaded it, now once it's done downloading, go to the app and click account and go on and sign in your Reddit account. Now in here, there's a few regulations, just click accept below. After that, you can now enjoy scrolling in Apollo app with Reddit contents with sound. So just that simple. I hope this video helped you out.